In this lesson, let's learn about the characteristics of the graph y equals ax squared. y イコール ax の2乗のグラフの特徴。Consider the different values of a for y equals ax squared. When a is greater than 0, the graph is open at the top. When a is less than 0, the graph is open at the bottom. In other words, this shows that when a is a positive number, the graph is open at the top, and when a is a negative number, the graph is open at the bottom. Next, let us compare the graphs of y equals 2x squared and y equals 1/2 x squared. Comparing the graphs of y equals 2x squared and y equals 1/2 x squared, the opening of the graph is larger for y equals 1/2 x squared. From this, we can see that the smaller the absolute value of a, the larger the opening of the graph. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problems. Once you're finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's check our answers. For number 1, y equals 1/3 x squared will look like what's on the left. For number 2, y equals negative 1/3 x squared will look like what's on the right. Were you able to consider the characteristics of the graph before writing it? Finally, let's review what we have learned. Consider the different values of a for y equals ax squared. When a is greater than 0, the graph is open at the top. When a is less than 0, the graph is open at the bottom. The smaller the absolute value of a, the larger the opening of the graph. That concludes this lesson.